Take command of the road in the 2009 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, automatic temperature control, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and more. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.